Fidget toy check. Show us your best fidget, your worst fidget, or fidgets. Favorite fidget. The fidget that you want to trade with someone but you just can't be bothered. Show us any pink fidgets. Here's mine. Show us a fidget that you use as a fidget but it's not really a fidget. I have so many of these. Show us any squishy. Show us any stress ball. Show us any homemade fidgets. Show us a tangle. Show us all of your small fidgets. Here's all my small ones. Show us all of your big fidgets. Here's all my big fidgets. Bye!